From USB to YouTube. How to easily loop videos on TV. Let's start. On your internet browser, go to youtube.com. Click Sign In. Sign in your Gmail address. Then press Next. Enter your Gmail password. Then press Next again. In Ad Recovery Details, just click Cancel. In Set Home Address, click Escape. In Choose How You'll Appear on YouTube, you can edit your name and channel link also. You can also skip this step if you want. When done, click on Create. Next, click on your profile photo and then press View Your Channel. Then press Create again. Then, Upload Video. Next, click Select Files. Browse your USB and go to the video that you wanted to be looped on your smart TV. When done, click Open. Wait for the uploading to finish. Here, you can change the title if you want. You can also add some description if you also wanted. While waiting for the upload to finish, click Select under Playlist. Then click Create Playlist. Then click New Playlist. Give a title to your playlist. When done, press Create. Then press Done. In the audience, select No, it's not made for kids. When done, click Next. Click Next again. Click another Next in Checks. In Visibility, you can choose either Unlisted or Public. When done, press Save. If you can still see checking under your video, just wait for it to finish. When done, you can now go to your TV. Open YouTube. Then click on Add Account. Here, you have two choices to add your account. You can sign in with your phone, which is easier, or you can also sign in with your remote. Choose any of the two ways. Choose the option that suits your situation. Assuming that you already added an account, click on the account to open YouTube. Move your remote to Library. Then click Playlists. Select the playlist that you already created in the early steps of this tutorial. Under that playlist, you will also find the video that you uploaded earlier. Just click on Repeat. Your videos will now continuously play in a loop. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe. If you have a question, just leave a comment below. Thank you.